Hi friends, today I welcome you to Entrepreneur's Ring of Modern Day Empire. Here I discuss some of the things related to the business, related to the investing. Now guys, before getting to further, I will discuss some of the two comparison. Now basically one of the two popular concepts are the concepts of debt. Now basically what is debt? So the debt is loan taking and loan giving process. So this is the debt. And equity is basically investing in share market. The two concepts are widely used and widely popular. So we will discuss this thing. Now firstly, let me tell you that debt is less expensive than equity. Now debt usually do not give much of the profit. It can give you 5%, 10%, or max 20% of profit of your net income which you have invested in debt. And equity gives you 50% profit, 40% profit, or even 70 to 80% profit, which is a quite nice profit. But next thing come from the but let me before getting further, please understand the scenario. Now here the scenario is, for example, we are considering a man who has collected some of the money. Now he want to invest his money, whether he want to invest the money, but he is confused that whether he had to invest the money in debt or equity. Now if he is ready to invest his money in debt, then he will get the advantage of tax free. Now this transaction will be considered as tax free because it is direct to direct conversation. So basically no government involvement will be there. And on the other hand, if he decided to invest in equity, then basically he has to firstly pay the tax to the government, and then his money will be invested in share market. The profit will come from there. Then also government will take the tax from there, and then he will get the money. In the loan system, it will be a clean and cut transaction that he is meeting with the original person. He is directly handing over the money to him, and he will be directly handing over the profit to him. So this type of scenario where now basically you must be thinking about tax concession. Now basically tax concession is imposed on both the things. If you have invested your money in debt, so there is tax concession less, and if you are invested in equity, then there is tax concession more. So if you want more tax concession, then you may go to investment in equity. But you want a less tax concession, you want good profit, you want reasonable profit, then you could think for investment in debt. So my clean and cut suggestion to you is so go and directly basically invest into debt, because if you do not invest it into low profit debt, then you have to pay the tax, and then you have to just follow a larger cycle for invest in equity. And remember that the money you got in initial stage is basically decutted from tax, and when it will go to equity again, then also there will be tax formalities and law formalities will be there. So for avoiding that, debt can be a good option. With this guys, I am done with my video. Thank you for watching this video up till here. We are from Entrepreneur's Ring of Modern Day Empire. I make such type of videos in regularly manner, in daily manner. So please be connected with us. Like this video, share this video to your friends and family, and those who want to start the business or thinking for the business. And subscribe to our channel, and bye bye.